Looking to streamline your HR processes and increase efficiency? In this quick guide, I'll show you how to use Process.st for your HR tasks. Whether you're new to the software or just looking for ways to implement it more effectively, this video will give you the practical steps you need. You can start using Process.st completely for free right now by clicking the first link in the description below, where we've got some exclusive bonuses just for you. Now, let's dive right into it. If you've ever struggled with keeping HR workflows organized, Process.st is the tool you've been searching for. It's a powerful process management software that helps you design, automate, and track workflows. For HR departments, this means no more lost files, messy spreadsheets, or inefficient procedures. When you first log into Process.st, you'll want to start by creating a new template. Templates are the building blocks for your HR processes. Whether you're onboarding new employees, managing performance reviews, or handling employee offboarding, creating a template for each process is essential. It allows you to easily repeat tasks and ensure every detail is covered. Let's say you're onboarding a new employee. In Process.st, you can create a checklist that guides you through the entire process, from sending the welcome email to setting up payroll. You can add steps like verify identity, assign a mentor, and schedule orientation, and then assign these tasks to team members, so everyone knows exactly what they need to do. What makes Process.st truly powerful is its collaboration features. You can invite your HR team to work on processes with you. They can check off tasks, add comments, and attach files, making it easy to communicate and ensure nothing falls through the cracks. Process.st also allows you to set due dates for each step and send reminders, so your team stays on track. This is especially useful in HR, where there are often multiple deadlines to meet, like setting up benefits or completing tax forms. Another key feature is automation. Instead of manually sending follow-up emails or notifications, you can set up triggers in Process.st. For example, once a task is marked complete, it could trigger an email to the employee or a reminder for the next step in the process. This saves you a lot of time and effort. For HR processes like performance reviews, Process.st's templates allow you to gather feedback from managers and peers, set objectives for employees, and track their progress over time. You can create recurring processes for things like quarterly check-ins or annual reviews, ensuring these important tasks don't slip through the cracks. Don't forget about the analytics. Process.st gives you powerful reporting tools, so you can track the progress of your HR workflows. You'll be able to see which tasks are getting done on time, where bottlenecks are happening, and where your team might need extra resources. This level of insight helps HR departments optimize their processes for better results. Remember, you can start using Process.st for free right now by clicking the link below. And with our exclusive bonuses, you'll get even more value from the software. As you start using Process.st, you'll quickly see how it can revolutionize your HR department by making your processes more efficient, transparent, and collaborative. I hope this quick guide has helped you understand how to leverage Process.st for your HR processes. Don't forget to check out the link in the description for an extended free trial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.